Welcome back in online lecture series. I am Dr. Keshav Mahale. We are going to discuss in this lecture price rearrangement. Price rearrangement is found in the aryl ester of alkyl or aryl carboxylic acid. When aryl ester of alkyl or aryl carboxylic acid is treated with the Lewis acid catalyst such as the aluminum chloride or aluminum tribromide, then there is a formation of orthohydroxy ester. So this rearrangement is known as the price rearrangement. At the moderate temperature or at room temperature, you got here the para-hydroxy ester, and at the high temperature you got here the orthohydroxy esters. Let us see here the conversion and mechanism. So the conversion is aryl esters when react with Lewis acid catalyst, it will give us orthohydroxy esters or para-hydroxy esters. See, we can take here the example. This is the vinyl ring, and if this is the ester, this is the O, this is the O, and this attached to the C double bond O, this is the R. This is the aryl esters. This is the aryl esters. When react with Lewis acid catalyst AlCl3 at high temperature, then it will be give us the orthohydroxy ketone. Here is a formation of not ester. Let us change here orthohydroxy ketone and para-hydroxy ketone. Now at room temperature, it will give us para-hydroxy ketone. See, this is the OH and this is C double bond O. This is the para-hydroxy ketone. This is the orthohydroxy ketone. Let us discuss now mechanism. See, this is the aryl ester when reacted with AlCl3 at 100 degrees Celsius. Then this lone pair of oxygen will approach to the AlCl3, and there is formation of which approach to the AlCl3, and there is formation of, see, this is the formation, there is formation of this is the oxygen, this is C double bond O, this is R, this is the AlCl3, and this is formation of partial bonding. Now this bond will get break in such a way the negative charge will comes on the oxygen. So as a negative charge comes on oxygen, and this compound. See, this is the C double bond O, this is R, and this is the positive charge. This is the positive charge. This will be stabilized by the resonance structure. This will be stabilized by the resonance structure. If this make here the triple bond, so oxygen carbon triple bond. This is R, and this oxygen having positive charge. See here, this negative charge makes here double bond. This double bond get attached to this group. So you got here the compound like this. This is the double bond. This is the double bond. This is double bond oxygen. And this is C double bond O R. This is C double bond O R. And this is the hydrogen. Here, this hydrogen which will be shift here. And this bond will be go open, and there will be formation of hydroxyl ion. There will be formation of hydroxyl ion and the ortho position. So this is the ortho-hydroxy ketone. This is the ortho-hydroxy ketone. When we heat this arrangement at high temperature in presence of Lewis acid catalyst aluminum chloride, and see, the mechanism for the para is the same. Only this group will be attached to the para position. Let us discuss now some examples. See, these are the examples that we are discussing now. So here are given two examples. Let us discuss here the first example. Firstly, when this lone pair approaches to the AlCl3, then there is a formation of some type of the intermediate. This is the oxygen. This is C double bond O. This is C2H5, and this is the AlCl3, and this is the OM3. Now this bond gets break, and there is formation of negative charge on oxygen atom, and we got here the phenoxide ion, and this phenoxide ion. Now this will be detached from here. C2H5 will be detached from here. Now this negative charge makes a double bond. This bond gets shift here, and it will be attached to this species on at not para position, because para position is a block here. So therefore attack will be from the ortho position, and we got here the ortho substituted product. We got here the ortho substituted product. This is the C double bond O, C2H5. This is double bond. Here is the hydrogen, or this hydrogen can be done here. See, this bond will be shift here, and this bond takes a hydrogen. And we got here the ortho-hydroxy ketone. This is the OH. This is C double bond O, C2H5. C double bond C2H5. Now, in this example, you can see here the para position is empty here, and temperature is not given, and this compound also having the para ortho substitution. So therefore, firstly, by the interaction with AlCl3, we got here, by the interaction with AlCl3, we got here the intermediate like this. See, this is the Cl here, this is the AlCl3, this bond will be shift here, and we got here the phenoxide ion. This phenoxide ion is like this. This is O minus, and the another fragment which will be removed here is like this. This is the Cl. This is the C double bond O, and this carbon now having positive charge here. So this bond will be shift here. This bond will be shift here, and it will be attached to this compound. And we got here the para substitution. This is C double bond O. This is the phenyl ring which having chlorine here. This is the double bond O. Now this will be the hydrogen which can be abstract in the aromatization, and you got here para-hydroxy substitution. You got here the para-hydroxy substitution. Then see, this is the conversion of aryl ester. This is the conversion of aryl ester of allyl or alkyl carboxylic acid in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride in the alpha hydroxy ketone. So, or para hydroxy ketone, it will be dependent on the temperature. At room temperature, the conversion is in para hydroxy ketone, and at high temperature, the conversion is in ortho hydroxy ketone. Thank you.